Find the equation of the circle passing through the points 4, 1 and 6, 5 and whose center is on the line 4x plus y equal to 16. We know that equation of circle with center h, k and radius r is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. So in this equation we are going to substitute the 2 points 4, 1 and 6, 5. Why? Because the equation of the circle passing through the points they have given. So first we'll write 4, 1. We'll substitute 4, 1. So on substituting, since equation of circle passes through 4, 1, we get 4 minus h the whole square plus 1 minus k the whole square equal to r square. We have to replace in the place of x and y. Next, let this be equation 1. The next point is 6, 5. 6 minus h the whole square plus 5 minus k the whole square equal to r square. This is equation 2. From this, our RHS is equal because here also r square, here also r square. So we can equate the LHS. So these two are equal because of r square is same in the RHS. So we get 4 minus h the whole square plus 1 minus k the whole square equal to 6 minus h the whole square plus 5 minus k the whole square. On expanding this with the formula a minus b whole square, we get 16 plus h square minus 8h plus 1 plus k square minus 2k equal to, again this a minus b whole square, 36 plus h square minus 12h plus 25 plus k square minus 10k. Now bring everything to one side. We'll get it like 16 plus 1, 17 plus h square minus 8h plus k square minus 2k, and here the two constant 36 plus 21 is 61. So while coming to LHS, 61 minus h square plus 12h minus k square plus 10k equal to 0. h square will get cancelled because h square minus h square. Next k square minus k square will get cancelled. So now the left out thing is minus 8h plus 12h. 12 minus 8 is 4h. What about the k? 10k, 2k minus 2k. So we'll get plus 8k. So now the constant is minus 61 plus 17. So the answer is minus 44 equal to 0. So divide whole thing by 4. We get h plus 2k minus 11 equal to 0, or h plus 2k equal to 11. Let this be equation 3. Since center of the circle h, k is on the line 4x plus y equal to 6. We get 4h plus k equal to 16. So this is equation 4. Now from the equation 3 and 4 we can get h and k. So center will be found. With the help of h and k, substituting in the equation 1, we'll find what is radius. So now we have to solve these two equations. How to solve these two simultaneous equation? Now I'll take fourth equation into 2. I'll get it like 8h plus 2k equal to 32. Our third equation is h plus 2k equal to 11. On subtracting these two equations, I'll get it 7h and this will become 0, that is equal to 21. So from this h equal to 21 by 7, h equal to 3. Now substitute h equal to 3 in any one of this equation, we'll get k value. Substitute h equal to 3 in equation 3 or 4. So I am substituting in equation number 3. So 3 plus 2k equal to 11. 2k is equal to 11 minus 3. K is equal to 8 by 2. So k is equal to 4. So h comma k. Center h comma k is 3 comma 4. So our equation 1 is 4 minus h the whole square plus 1 minus k the whole square equal to r square. Here I am going to substitute h equal to 3 and k is equal to 4. So on substituting 4 minus 3 the whole square plus 1 minus 4 the whole square equal to r square. 4 minus 3 is 1 plus 1 minus 4 the whole square, that is minus 3 the whole square equal to r square. 1 plus 9 equal to r square. 10 equal to r square. R equal to root 10. Now we have found radius of the circle. Now we are going to find the equation of circle with center 3, 4 and radius root 10. So our general form is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. X minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square equal to root 10 the whole square. On expanding this, x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 16 minus 8y equal to 10. Collect the square terms. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y and the constants plus 9 plus 16 will get plus 25 minus 10 equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 15 equal to 0 is the equation of the circle